Hello guys, in this video I am showing you some of the best survey sites where you can earn money online. These sites are tried and tested by millions of people through which they earn a good amount of money. There are many sites on the internet which are not genuine. So I reviewed some of the best survey sites that I recommend you to use if you want to earn some quick cash online. Stay with me until the end, but before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel Story Insider where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first survey website is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a fun rewards program that allows you to earn points by shopping online, searching the web, watching videos, and many more. You can register at Swagbucks to do surveys for money. Points can be redeemed for cashback or free gift cards. Swagbucks offers 10,000 paid survey opportunities each day. As a survey platform, it's one of the biggest and most legitimate survey companies. To open an account in Swagbucks, the minimum age requirement to join is 13 years old. Average payout 40 cents, $2 for each survey. Payment method is available via PayPal or gift cards. Minimum cash out requirement $3 for gift cards and $25 for PayPal. $20 sign-up bonus. To qualify for the $20 sign-up bonus, you must earn 1,500 points within the first 60 days of membership. Bonus will be awarded within 1 day after you reach the threshold. Next survey website is InboxDollars. With a quick sign-up process and simple format, InboxDollars works on a real cash reward system, not a point system. However, if you do a few quick surveys regularly throughout the day, you can earn quite a bit in less time than you'd think. Another cool thing that I like about InboxDollars is that it offers rewards for playing online games, watching videos, reading emails, and doing online shopping that you would be doing regularly anyway. Real cash checks are awesome, but you can also get paid with an Amazon gift card or regular gift vouchers. Joining InboxDollars only takes about 30 seconds, but to become a member you need to be at least 18 years old and live in the United States. Average payout up to $5 each survey. InboxDollars payment method are check, prepaid Visa card or gift cards. Minimum to cash out requirement $30. Sign-up bonus $5 when you open an account in InboxDollars. So register your account in InboxDollars and earn money by doing surveys. LifePoints. LifePoints is one of the largest influencer communities worldwide and awarded $28 million members in the last year alone. The company also offers a welcome bonus of 10 LifePoints for new users. Compared to other survey sites, qualifying for paid surveys on LifePoints is a bit easier. This is a key factor when signing up for any online survey company. Most of their surveys can be completed in 10 minutes or less. Eligibility. To join LifePoints, you must be 16 years of age and live in the United States or Canada. Average payout 60 cents, $1 per survey. Payment method is PayPal. Minimum cash out is $20. LifePoint doesn't have a sign-up bonus. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is one of the most legitimate survey companies for earning extra cash while you're waiting for the bus, on your lunch break, or even vegging on the couch watching Netflix. I like to earn money with Survey Junkie as I wake up in the morning and while multitasking throughout the day. Just by signing up and completing your profile, you earn points right off the bat. From there you get paid points for each completed survey. And when you reach the payout threshold, your points can be transferred to PayPal, check, or a free gift card. Plus, it's hard to run out of survey invitations since they offer so many. Members need to be 13 or older and reside in the United States, Canada, or Australia. Average payout $1, $3 per survey. Payment method is PayPal or e-gift cards. Minimum to cash out $10. They don't offer sign-up bonus. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is a platform that pays you for completing online surveys and other tasks. They have a user-friendly site that is simple to navigate and their sign-up process is quick. You receive 100 points just for signing up, and then they have several get-to-know-you type of survey questions that only take a couple of minutes to complete, but earn you another 10 minutes 50 points each for those quick surveys. Then there's the Branded Elite Loyalty Program. Here's how it works. As you take surveys, you advance through 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. You move up levels by collecting credits for each completed survey or task, like referring friends and family. Higher levels unlock more earning potential and better survey opportunities. Cashing out your points is really easy, and you can get money sent to your PayPal account, use Branded Pay, or redeem a bunch of different gift card offers. The platform currently has over 2 million users and has paid out over $17 million since its inception. Eligibility. To join this survey website, you have to be at least 16 years old. Average payout, up to 300 points or $3 per survey. Payment method is PayPal or gift cards. Minimum $5 to cash out. They don't give a sign-up bonus when you register your account. If you wish to earn money online doing some surveys, then check all the websites that I told you about in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.